Hello, my dear traders. Very welcome to Uttum's Trading Academy. How are you doing? So today also we are going to have another session with binary options, guys. So are you ready to trade with me? Okay, alright, let's go forward today day trade, guys. Alright, my dear traders, as usually I choose the currency pair for first day trade, and in my live account 2000 bucks I have, and the first investment is going to be $700 guys. And let's what to do, yeah, let's go for our currency pair. And guys, let's push down and follow the trend. Let me explain what's going on, guys. It went down, hit the bottom, it went up, and it was in the range zone climax. And guys, look at this, is a really strange one, and it's going down, guys. The range zone, the flat zone, it's a really strange flat zone, guys. After that one, guys, and it's pushing down right now with the selling option, and that's why I decided to follow the trend, push down with $700 first investment. And according to the RSI indicator below, look at this, guys, it was in the overbought zone for a long time, and now it's time to pushing down, guys. And market is little bit behaving, guys, little bit strange, little bit weird, by the way. So far so good. As a professional and profitable day trader, guys, I know by my experience, I know what's going on in the market. So by the way, that's why I'm taking risk. Look at these, guys, $1,260 profit, guys. And let's change the currency pair, guys. Let's change and let's push it up with $1,000. And guys, look at this, guys, let me explain. It went down, it was in the range zone, hit the bottom, and it's turned up, guys. It's pushing up right now, climbing up. So AUD USD currency pair, it's a good one, and we can make the profit, guys, 89% of profit. It means, guys, if I'm making this profit, so the profit will be $890 almost. I will cash out $1,890. So let's wait and see, guys. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. I'm always telling you again and again, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more additional videos like this. And watch my previous videos also. Hit the like button for this video and share this video and my previous videos with your trading friends, guys. And look at my profit, guys. As I told you, $1,890. Let's push up with $1,000, another one, guys, because I want to take that risk, guys. And look at this, guys, look at this. I found what I found, guys, resistive zones and supportive zones, and market should be bouncing in between resistive zones and supportive zones. I'm guessing it's reaching into some kind of resistive zones as I marked. And according to the AUD USD currency pair, we can make right now 90% of profit, guys. It means after this one, if I'm making this profit, guys, it will be 1,900, and clean profit is $900, guys. Really big situation, because look at no little bit in made it, guys, 1,900 as I told you, guys. I took a really big risk, guys, so let's go with 2,000, because I like the risk. Let's push up, because by my experience, I'm telling you that it should be reaching to the another resistive zone. This time it's following trend, guys. So if I follow the trend, I can make this profit really easy, guys. So by the way, if you really want to become a tactical day trader like me, all you have to do a really simple thing. What? Follow my VIP Telegram channel. All the links below in my description, guys. So be a member of my VIP Telegram channel and improve your day trading knowledge with my tactics, with my analysis, and become a profitable and professional day trader. And we are in a situation, guys, look at these, guys, look at this, we are in a situation, and guys, 2,000, I lost my 2,000. Okay, let's go with all in 2,350. Let's push down. Fuck, fuck. Ah, what kind of professional and profitable day trader? Huh? Yeah, I took a risk. Yeah, if you don't risk your life, if you yeah, you will never ever learn something important, something new, guys. So that's why you need to risk. Sometimes you need to risk and you need to learn something. I'm learning every time when I'm losing and when I'm winning money. From each trade I'm learning something new. So that's why which I lost, I don't care. I'm not getting panic. I don't care about that. I'm not getting nervous, guys. So far so good. Yeah. Let's wait and see. Okay, all right, made it. $4,465 profit. Okay, let's go with 2000. Another one. Okay, for yeah, let's change the currency pair. I'm tied with that currency pair, and let's find a good trend, guys. Good market strategy for easy one. Easy, no, not available. Not here. Yeah, this one. Let's push down. Just follow the trend, guys. Look at these guys. Look at this, what's going on with the market. It was in the range zone really, and it went up and it was in the range zone climax, and it's pushing down right now. So what about this currency pair? What about this currency pair? Let me analyze, guys. Let me analyze the RS indicator, because according to the RS indicator, it's something weird, you know. By the way, okay, all right. After this one, I'm stopping my today day trade, guys, because I'm getting a little bit no, I'm in a shock right now. So far so good. I think yeah, for sure I'm gonna make this profit, guys. Look at this, $3,640 profit, guys, and at the end of the day, guys, $6,105 profit. My clean profit is $4,105, guys. My dear traders, today I have made lot of risks, as you saw, and I have put my money in danger a lot of times. But at the end of the day, I have made more than 4,000 bucks clean profit. That's my mission and my vision and my goal. If you want to become a professional and profitable day trader like me, all you have to do a really simple thing: follow my instructions and follow my tactics. Let's meet with another profitable day trading video with Uttam's Trading Academy. See you and take care, guys.